Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope all are staying healthy and fit. Welcome to my another exciting episode of All My Days with Khwahish podcast, only on Let's Chat. Today's content and topic is all about product persona, and it's all about the personal life blogger. We know that everyone has their own lifestyle, but these days as the social media is trending and being a millennium, people tend to use it in so many other ways as lifestyle blogging. And with that note, we have an amazing persona who is currently in UAE. He has been working as a project manager in Ajman currently, but he has done so much of content creator that has been gone viral also. And sharing the screen with him is none other than Burhan. Let's welcome you on my show, All My Days with Khwahish podcast, only on Let's Chat. Thank you so much, Burhan, to accept our invitation. Welcome to All My Days with Khwahish podcast. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well. Thank you so much, Mohammed, for inviting me as well.
And that's my first question always. What was your reaction when our team approached you for the podcast?
It was very nice because the way they approached me and the way जब उन्होंने text किया और बात हुई और it's like look like a very professional and the way they approach from TikTok as I told you earlier and it was a pretty nice time. I was on live and one guy approached to me and they said you are talking very nice, so I want to do some podcast with you. Then so and it's gone.
It didn't work out.
Finally,
after 1 month, we are back again with the same hot seat. So we are moving to segment number 1, that is knowing your persona. Segment number 1 is knowing your persona, where you need to reveal some of your facts which people are not aware.
Okay.
कुछ बातें बताने जरूरी है because that's how the life is. First question would be, who is Burhan? How the things had changed you since you went from Saudi,
okay.
being an Asian, now back to GCC UAE. You have so much of a role to play. So who is Burhan?
See, it seems if you're talking about who is Burhan exactly, there is a lot of things. Yeah. When I start my journey, doesn't know that I can be successful person in my life that time, and it was very hard. And exactly, I made one thought, I made one platform for myself, and I compete myself with me. This is my competition to myself only. I don't compete anybody in my life, and I even don't want to talk about competition with anybody. To be very honestly, this is my main concept. Whenever anybody said yes, I am the millionaire, I will say okay, thank you so much, you are the millionaire. But if I will challenge myself that I have to be millionaire, for sure I will be millionaire. So this is the basic thing what I like in my history and in my old story. Being from a poor family back into 1987, then again we was having a very high time in our life, then we fell down, then again today we are having on our same time before.
Alhamdulillah, that's what we say, no? Plans you do,
Exactly.
but it will happen only if Allah wills.
Exactly, but it will take time. This is my special message. Who is just trying to take everything very fast? Do not do that. This is my first recommendation to everybody. You have to wait, you have to be patient, and you have to work for it. Like you can say in shortly, plan, focus, and capture.
Yeah, that's true, but then you know that we have Iblis all around
Exactly.
and he doesn't allow people to have sabr.
Exactly.
That's his motive, and
Yep.
we encourage him to move ahead.
Yes.
That's why Iblis always goes every zigzag through life.
Exactly.
Jokes apart, that's the reality.
Exactly.
Because we are going through every day. When you have gone through your downfall, it's not easy to raise again.
Exactly.
You have gone through so much of hard works, but then how Burhan is again formed to a strong person. Now you're working as a project manager.
Yes.
So how this transformation happened?
First of all, my 90% audience doesn't know that I belongs to a construction field. This is the
That's
basic
why.
thing. Many people that they are thinking that I am a social media influencers, or like as usual, many people that they are making the videos or content and gather community around. This is the maximum people know. But today I will disclose with you, with the presence of your platform, my journey from fall. उसमें सबसे पहले क्या होता है कि हमें अपना माइंडसेट स्ट्रॉन्ग करना होता है.
What the heck?
जो एक बेसिक थिंग्स है. When you create something in your mind, then you can have a challenge and then you can have a way to achieve that. This is what I learned from my history and from my very, very bad time. Okay. Do not do ugly things on your bad time. Be calm down, be patient, and wait for right time to show your move. This is what I know exactly if you can achieve anything in your life.
For sure, that's very true. You know, when people say ना कि हम front foot पे लोग आते हैं, they see so much of information are there, this and that, but they don't know how much it takes guts to go back again,
Exactly.
to come down, and then especially when it comes gender equality issues, people say now women encourage women, but how about the male? They're getting degraded in the today's society. So did you ever encounter any gender equality issues at your career life or your personal life?
Yes, I've been having those kinds of experience. But as I told you earlier, मतलब मेरी personality में या मेरी self में एक चीज नहीं है, jealous नहीं मैं होता. Secondly, हसद नहीं है. Exactly. Second thing, for the gender things जो आपने भी पूछी, ये भी बड़ा एक important matter है nowadays in a society. उसके लिए सबसे ज्यादा कंट्रोल आपको अपने माइंड में होना चाहिए, और सेकंड कनेक्टिविटी आपको होनी चाहिए आपके हार्ट के साथ. माइंड एंड हार्ट, दोज आर टू थिंग्स आर सेपरेट. जब हम इन दोनों को मिक्स कर देते हैं तो फॉर श्योर आपको जेंडर्स इश्यूज भी होते हैं कि हाँ यार वो लड़की है तो वो मेरे से आगे जा रही है, ये लड़का है तो मैं नहीं कर पा रहा. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. एवरीथिंग, इफ यू वांट टू अचीव समथिंग यू कैन डू इट. दिस इज व्हाट आई नो ओनली. अगर हम ये सोचेंगे कि नहीं यार वो लड़की है, वो खूबसूरत है, वो ज्यादा कर सकती है, नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. व्हाट आई नो, इफ यू गिव मी सम टास्क और इफ यू गिव मी सम चैलेंज, फॉर श्योर आई विल टेक एज अ मैन and she will take as a girl. It's not a big deal at all.
There's no barrier in gender equality these days because now we're in 2014. 2014 is a millennium age where people are growing. They have their own persona, own journey and experience. To be a lifestyle personal blogger, because coming from a back-end family,
Yes.
Asian mindset,
Exactly.
there is a taboo. People say that no, media is not good.
Exactly.
But you're using a social media to interact people.
And
you
gather
make-
community, yeah.
Yeah, you make gags where people could take into negative way. Also, it's there. So how you made your journey to a personal blogger?
Okay, let me go back to 2009 जब मैं बहुत अपनी स्टडी की एज में था. आई थिंक इट वाज लाइक अ फाइनल ईयर ऑफ माय कॉलेज लाइफ. आई डोंट रिमेम्बर एग्जैक्टली. उसमें क्या था कि हमें एक कंप्यूटर दिया जाता था जो पब्लिक कंप्यूटर होता था इन आवर हॉस्टल लाइफ. ओके, सो उसमें लोगों को मैं देखता था यूट्यूब के ऊपर. फेसबुक, आई थिंक दैट टाइम वेरी न्यू, मेनी पीपल डजंट नो देयर इज अ फेसबुक आल्सो. सो मैंने अपना फर्स्ट अकाउंट तब क्रिएट किया. उसके बाद बहुत सारी रिस्ट्रिक्शंस भी लगी. नो, दैट्स नॉट गुड, दैट्स बैड थिंग, हराम, लाइक दिस, एज यू सेड अर्लियर कि सोशल मीडिया नहीं होना चाहिए, ऐसे है वैसे है. बट मुझे अच्छे से याद है 2001 मेरे पास P1 कंप्यूटर होता था जो सऊदी से हम लेके आए थे. तो द डे ऑफ माई चाइल्डहुड, मतलब आप ऐसे समझ लें कि बचपन से ही मुझे इस चीज का शौक था. बट मेरे पास एक करेक्ट टाइम नहीं था कि किस टाइम में मैं आके इन चीजों को ओपनली होके ग्रैब कर सकता हूँ. इसीलिए मैंने अपनी लाइफ में उस चीज को स्लो पॉइजन की तरह स्लोली साथ लेके चला, उसको लर्न किया. लाइक यू नो, इफ एनीबडी इज डूइंग समथिंग, आई विल नॉट बी ग्रीडी टू डू दैट सेम थिंग, बट आई विल लर्न. अगर मैं उसको अपने ऊपर इम्प्लीमेंट करता हूँ तो उसके लिए मुझे क्या टूल्स चाहिए, क्या चीजें चाहिए, तो देन आई विल वर्क फॉर इट.
For sure.
अगर वो मनी है, पैसा है, उससे कमा के लेने हैं तो फॉर श्योर आई विल डू फॉर दैट. फिर इसी तरह से 2009, देन 2013, 14, 14 जब मैंने अपना कैरियर स्टार्ट किया तब मुझे बड़ा शौक होता था कि मैं कंस्ट्रक्शंस की वीडियोस जो है वो बना के डाला करूं. उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि 2016 एंड में जब टिकटॉक आया, पहले मैं डब मैश पे था, उसके बाद म्यूजिकली में था, स्लोली छोटी वीडियोस बनाता था, बड़ा शौक था मुझे. फिर 2016 एंड में जब टिकटॉक आया, आई वाज द फर्स्ट पर्सन, मतलब जिसने स्टेप लिया था उस टाइम में. फिर हमारी एक बड़ी अच्छी कम्युनिटी थी, हम इवेंट्स हमने स्टार्ट किए. ऑल वेल नोन फेमस टिकटॉकर, दे नो मी वेरी वेल, बिकॉज नाउ अभी वो बहुत आगे चलेंगे और मैं बहुत पीछे हूँ. बट आई डोंट माइंड फॉर दैट. आई नो व्हाट आई विल डू, फॉर श्योर आई विल डू.
Yeah, and you know, you should be like, कहना नहीं चाहिए, you should be mutmain to your ज़मीर. Like when you do something, अपना दिल गवारा होना चाहिए हाँ कि मैं सही रास्ते पे जा रहा हूँ. Because I have seen lots of, I don't want to spell out their names, there will be too much of spelling out, who does stuff, but then they don't go with the fact of the reality, because at the end, everyone has to go one day.
Exactly.
Jo bhi ho, all have to go. No one can stop you.
Exactly.
With that note, I would like to ask, since you told about your family matters and stigma, what are some of the trolling you have within your family that had always tried to demotivate you, but then still you come out from it?
I can say this is the right time to disclose.
Yeah.
Since I wait for this thing many years, girls थी जो मेरे से TikTok बनाती थी, they are now very well known. I will not disclose the name.
Exactly.
They have the millions of the followers now, and this is a good thing. But now जब मैं वीडियोस बनाता था स्लो मोशन में और करता था वीडियोस का जो भी कंटेंट होता था, वो सिर्फ एक पब्लिक के लिए होता था. मैंने कभी भी इस चीज को अपनी पर्सनल इफेक्शंस के ऊपर नहीं लेके गया. ऑलवेज फोकस होता था कि आप बिजनेस सेपरेट रखो एंड जो सोशल मीडिया लाइफ है वो सेपरेट रखो. बट स्लोली करते करते वही बात आ जाती है जो आपने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले बोली कि जब डिमोटिवेशन मिलती है तभी आप स्ट्रांग होते हो. एंड मेरे हिसाब से आपके अराउंड बुरे लोग होने चाहिए. अगर आप स्ट्रांग माइंड पर्सन है, या इट विल नॉट इफेक्ट यू. अगर देखें लेट्स से कोई आपके बारे में बुरा बोल रहा है एंड स्टिल यू आर स्माइलिंग, इट्स अ वेरी स्ट्रांग माइंड, to be very honestly.
Yeah.
And for sure one day you will see your quietness will be speak louder than your words.
That is true.
Honestly.
With that note, how was the social media for you? Was it beneficial or was impacting you in your life? Because these days, when whoever is social media, for sure they get trolled.
Yeah.
And you might have get trolled because of so many comedy reels you put out. So what are some of trolls you received and how did you deal with that?
To be very honestly, I would like to people troll me because you know, as I told you earlier, just a while ago, your quietness will speak louder than your words. So मैं अगर भी कोई content, बल्कि अब मेरा आगे जो future plan जो मैंने अभी अपना create किया till 2030 का for with the social media, it's done. यानी मैंने finally decide कर लिया कि मैं जो मुझे अच्छा लगेगा वो मैं करूँगा social media पे, चाहे वो बुरा हो चाहे वो अच्छा हो. For sure बुरा तो खैर नहीं होगा, बट अनदर वे कि दूसरी साइड पे बैठा बंदा कैसे उसको डील कर रहा है. लाइक लेट्स से अगर वो कहते हैं हाँ ये बुरा है तो ऑब्वियसली फिर मैं भी यही सोचूंगा कि हाँ यार ये बुरा है. बट एज यू सेड कि एनकाउंटर्स जो हुए हैं वो मेरी लाइफ में 2 हुए हैं और वे से उनको मैसेज देना चाहूंगा. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट जिन्होंने मुझे एनकाउंटर किया. और मेरे लिए वो मेरी बहुत लाइफ की बड़ी पावर थी. एंड मेरे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स हैं जो अभी मतलब उन एनकाउंटर्स की वजह से करके अपने आप को मतलब डिसाइड कर चुके हैं, छोड़ चुके हैं लाइफ, यू नो ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ ड्रामा वो करते हैं. बट मैं इस चीज को बड़ा स्ट्रांगली लेके जाता हूँ कि अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह कि जो चीज भी एनकाउंटर होती है वो आपके अच्छे के लिए होती है. देयर इज 2 ऑप्शंस ओनली, डू एंड डाई. अगर आपको पता है कि इफ यू आर गोइंग टू डाई देन डू सम एफर्ट्स. दिस इज व्हाट आई नो.
So that's very true because trolling is always there everywhere and we cannot neglect that trolling because since the generation बहुत स्पीड चल रहा है
Exactly.
सोशल मीडिया के जरिए, people are nowadays being very openly speaking out. What's your advice for the youth and where do you see yourself after 5 years?
See, for the advice for them, they have to make the content to gather the community around them. Okay, like let's say if anybody is making the content of their personal life, that's very good. Many people they are taking as a personally, हाँ भाई ये अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ क्यों दिखा रहा है, ये क्यों कर रहा है, ऐसे क्यों कर रहा है. मतलब वो बहुत सारे एक वो सस्पिशियस थिंग्स जो है ना वो आपके अराउंड में आ जाती हैं. ठीक है, बट मेरे माइंड के अकॉर्डिंगली आपको अगर आप एक पब्लिक फिगर हो या आप एक इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हो तो उन लोगों को नहीं पता कि इन्फ्लुएंसर्स का मतलब क्या है या पब्लिक फिगर का मतलब क्या है. दे हैव टू शो द थिंग्स which you can feel as a reality. अगर हम अपनी कुछ पर्सनल लाइफ शो नहीं करेंगे तो how they will understand, how they will see कि फैक्ट्स कहाँ पे हैं एंड फ्यूजन्स कहाँ पे हैं और गुड थिंग्स कहाँ पे हैं. फ्यूचर प्लान फॉर श्योर आई हैव सम टारगेट्स. ओके, जो मैं चाहता हूँ कि 2030-35 के कुछ प्लान्स हैं जो ऑलरेडी सेट आउट किए हुए हैं और मैं यही चाहूँगा कि इफ गॉड गिव मी अ चांस टू विन दोज गोल्स
इंशाल्लाह
बिफोर, for sure.
Inshallah.
But
inshallah.
This is, I'm telling you 100%, there is no mercy. I should chase and I should win.
For sure, your self hard work is the one which will pay back. And just now we were discussing, he got revealed that he's starting his own podcast.
Yeah.
And I'm so excited that I hope I will be part of it. So for sure,
I would like to welcome you in my home as
so
well.
I would. Previously, I had one guest. She's also doing her podcast, and hope to see everyone a good network there. Based on networking, do you think these days networking helps?
Yes.
And did it help you to grow, or it degrade you?
No, I will take as a positively that the networking is very mandatory nowadays for you, for your personal life and for your business life as well. Because 90% people, they are using the social media and networking, right? So if you want to give your message to anybody, no need to knock a door, no need to work hardly. Just sit in the front of camera and give your message, and it will spread anywhere if they like it.
Exactly. Okay, now as bloggers, you know, these days they do blogging for each and everything,
Yep.
all around. So any content which you have done that was towards the negative impact you received or positive way?
I have done one content. I remember to make the videos with the girls. It made myself very demotivated with my family, to be very honestly. So उसके बाद मैंने decide किया कि I will not do any videos with the girls. Just single में रह के जो होगा वो करेंगे and hope for the best.
Since you pick out about your family,
Yeah.
it's not fair enough to thank your mom and dad the way you are, how you have been raised, because that's how we value in our Islam. We say that कि माँ बाप की तले जन्नत होता है, and without them our life is very incomplete. They know who don't have parents. So what did you learn from your mother and your father? Still you apply in your life and you're still going ahead with that
From
advice?
I will say first about the mother, because what I learned from my mother from childhood, to be patient, to be calm and focus on your goal. This is what from the day one when I wake up to the world, like जो कहते हैं ना, जब समझ आनी शुरू हुई,
हाँ.
उस दिन से लेके आज तक यही रूल मैंने अपनाया हूँ. Second rule, my mom said, don't be greedy towards any people. Okay.
That's very good thing.
कि किसी को देख के हसद नहीं करना, ठीक है? Because from the childhood, मतलब हमने हर दुनिया की अच्छी खुशी, अच्छी नेमत, हर चीज़ अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मतलब देखी, और this all because of my mom, dad. Secondly, for the dad, I will say my dad is very hard person. Like उनका रूल जो है वो अगर कुछ बोल दिया तो वही होगा. And I will say to
पत्थर की लकीर जैसा.
exactly. Thanks बोलना चाहूँगा डैड को भी कि he is a very ideal person in my life. और बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स जो हैं जो मैंने उनसे सीखे हैं for the business and for to survive in a hard time. ये मतलब एक स्पेशल गुडविल है जो मैं आज भी अप्लाई करता हूँ अपने ऊपर.
According to you, is education mandatory for being an influencer and blogger? Because these days हर कोई रील बना सकता है,
Exactly.
हर कोई एवे वायरल भी हो जाता है, एंड एक वायरल होने के बाद तो भाई साहब उनका जो तोते उड़ते हैं तो वो तो पहुंच के बाहर
बैठ नहीं
है.
आते.
So what do you think about education? Is required for it or is fine without education?
I think if I say the things like अगर आपने जल्दी वायरल होना है तो education is not required for that, to be very honestly, if you don't mind. Because हम education हासिल करने के बाद हमारे अंदर से वो चीज़ निकल जाती है जो हमें रखनी चाहिए. मतलब वही बात आती है ना कि करने से पहले हम 10 दफा सोचते हैं, बट जो नॉन एजुकेटेड पीपल होते हैं वो ये नहीं सोचते हैं कि हाँ यार मैं कुछ भी करूंगा विल गेट वायरल. बट हम 10 दफा बैठ के सोचेंगे और वो हमेशा वहीं पे स्टॉप रहेगा. वो सिर्फ कंसर्न पीपल तक जाएगा, उन लोगों की वो रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होगी जो अनएजुकेटेड है. सो मेरे हिसाब से अगर आपको जल्दी वायरल होना है सो यू हैव टू बी अनएजुकेटेड. बट मेरी बैड लक किस चीज में भी है, आई बिलीव के इट विल सॉर्ट आउट वेरी सून. मेरी बहुत सारी वीडियोस वायरल होती हैं, मतलब मिलियंस ऑफ द व्यूज आते हैं, बट कभी भी ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि एक वीडियो वायरल हुई है तो उसके साथ बाकी भी हो जाए.
That note, empowerment these days is very important. Either you take it gender-wise, any-wise. So what do you think about you? The empowerment is important, and how can you say empowerment होना जरूरी इंसान पे?
देखिए अगर तो आप बात करेंगे कि एज बीइंग एजुकेशन पार्ट, तो फिर मेरे हिसाब से होनी चाहिए एम्पावरमेंट. अगर आप कहते हैं कि नहीं यार एज यू सेड खली वली, तो फिर तो उसके आगे कोई लिमिट्स है ही नहीं. देयर इज नो लिमिट्स कि कि मतलब फिर आप चाहे अच्छे हैं, आप बुरे हैं, आप खूबसूरत हैं, बॉय हैं, गर्ल हैं, कुछ भी हैं, then you have to do anything.
हाँ,
This
वो
is
तो
what
है।
my point of view.
हाँ, वो तो चलता है। I don't want to end our segment number 1 because I'm getting to know more about you. What's Burhan's strength and weakness?
See, this is a very common question, but to be very honestly, since my all career in my business as well and in my job strategy as well, I never ever answer this question. To be very honestly, weakness, I can say my family is my weakness, and secondly, I can say my loyalty is my weakness.
How about your strength?
Strength is the bad people. They are my strength, and the negativity around me is my strength.
Yeah, when it comes to weakness part, always we have to give a suggestion because that's what we always been known for the podcast. Or my is that when family comes as a weakness, always remember they come into a strength part because that's how the battle you can win if you have them. For sure, inshallah, things will grow better.
I will add one thing in this part also. As you said, family मतलब strength होनी चाहिए. मैं कहता हूँ कि family को आप weakness में ही रखें तो better है, because when you take your family as your strength, the emotions of yourself, it will grow more.
More
Okay?
and more and
So as being a man, I don't know about the girls, but as being a man, men should be without emotions. In the front of world, we should without emotions. अगर आप में इमोशंस हैं और आप काम करने के लिए जा रहे हो तो be very honestly,
It's hard.
you will never success. You have to
It's
be without emotions. Leave your family as your weakness in your home, but if you want to be a strong and
competitive.
leader or the competitor, then you have to learn, or you have to see the bad things more and learn how you can deal with that. This is what I know. I don't
have
know.
to take a
is it-
special coaching from because really I have so much of negative people in my life. Alhamdulillah,
sure.
but Alhamdulillah for everything. With that note, we are taking a short break and we'll move to our segment number 2, which is this and that. Moving to our segment number 2, which is this and that. So in Burhan, in this and that, I'll give you some topics,
Okay.
which is mostly asked by the viewers, and then you need to give your viewpoint, whether they're in the correct path or what do you think,
Okay.
so on. As a content creator, these days people makes all kind of contents. Even घर पे अगर नींद से भी उठ गया तो उसका भी content बन जाता है.
Exactly.
So do you think is it fair or is it worthy or they need to be very more particular with the content? What do you think?
I think if you gather around your community, then it's very good. Like let's say अगर आप पाकिस्तान की बात करते हैं तो पाकिस्तान की जो नेचुरल थिंग्स है कि उनको क्या अच्छा लगता है कि वो यही लगता है कि वो आपके घर की चीजों में ज्यादा इंटरेस्टेड होते हैं. ठीक है. अगर आप यूएसए चले जाएं, ठीक है, तो यूएसए
Very
में
true, very true. Asian का.
Exactly.
हाँ.
तो अगर आप go back to USA or UK, they will more interested into the creative things, like
The innovative mindset.
Yeah, creative mindset. Like you can say, अगर आप कुछ बना रहे हैं, उनकी वीडियोस बनाते हैं, कंटेंट बनाते हैं. अगर वो कुछ घर की डेकोरेशन कर रहे हैं, उसकी बनाते हैं. खाने बनाने की वीडियोस बनाते हैं. मतलब उनमें ये नहीं है कि वो सो रहे हैं तो उठ रहे हैं और जूता पहन रहे हैं और बाथरूम में जा रहे हैं, तो वो ऐसा नहीं है. अगर आप रशियंस में चले जाएं तो वो अपना लाइफस्टाइल ज्यादा दिखाना पसंद करते हैं. चाइनीज आपको पता है वो तो बात ही नहीं करते, बट उन्होंने जो
करना है तो भाई कर
गूंगा
लिया.
बन के जो उन्होंने दिखा देना ना, वो हमारे माइंडसेट से भी बहुत आगे नेक्स्ट लेवल का होता है. सो इट्स ऑल डिपेंड वेयर यू आर लिविंग एग्जैक्टली, कि अगर आप जिस एरिया में रह रहे हैं उस एरिया के अकॉर्डिंगली आपको वो करना ही करना है जो आप चाह रहे हैं.
How about marketing expertise? Do you think being a content creator या blogger के लिए marketing expertise होना जरूरी है या it's fine to have without any experience?
I think they have to be, because अगर आप एक चीज क्रिएट कर रहे हैं और उस मार्केट की वो रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है तो इट्स यूजलेस फॉर यू. मार्केट में नहीं ला सकते जो उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. सो आई थिंक यू हैव टू बी एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन while you are creating the content, कि जब आप कहीं पे कोई भी कंटेंट बनाएं तो वो आपके एज पर मार्केट होना चाहिए, उसका एक्सपीरियंस आपके पास होना चाहिए.
How about the income from the trending? Because people they make reels, they do get paid also. Even I have seen so much of platform that you do branding or you do blah blah blah. So is that income according to you is worthy to be claimed, or without any income they should just do the branding?
See, it should be with the income. To be very honestly, why? Let me explain you. Because when somebody creates something for you, or for your branding, or for your any of the publicity or promotions, they have to get paid. अगर एक बंदा आपको टाइम देता है, कुछ भी करता है आपके लिए, बहुत सारा क्रिएट करता है कुछ भी, तो you have to pay. Second income, it's from the concerned platform जो पे करते हैं. It's a common, anybody can take it from that.
How about contacts in collaboration? Do you believe in contacts, connections? Yeah, you need to go purely organic.
No, I will recommend it should be with a collaborate. क्योंकि जब आप collaboration करते हैं तो many of the doors get open for you. Seems we are each other now.
So how about being transparency? कहते हैं when you make content, when you make reels, transparency of the product awareness is very important. But these days the bloggers कुछ भी करते हैं.
Exactly.
Even like how we give the rating right now, it's purely correct rating, organic way.
Yes.
So what do you think? Bluff करना चाहिए with the ratings? Yeah, it should be organic.
This part I will say it should be organic. What is inside you, you will expose that things only. अगर आपके अंदर real है, organic है, तो आप organic ही बताएंगे. अगर आपके अंदर fake है और बनावटी है कुछ, तो आप fake ही बताएंगे. So मेरे हिसाब से कि जो भी चीज़ आप देते हैं, मतलब रेटिंग देते हैं या कुछ भी आप कंटेंट बनाते हैं, it should be with the transparent according to the product. I'm just talking about the products or any things. It will not mislead to the other persons.
This is what.
जो educated नहीं है, जो मतलब ज़्यादा सिर्फ review पे concerned करते हैं. So मेरे हिसाब से it should be
organic because you know
organic.
I have seen so many bloggers, again too much of spelling out.
Yep.
They give reviews, especially for the food related. Anything which comes with the health related, we should always be loyal because at the end people will try,
yes,
and then they will get issues, and then khalas bye. Then you will be the more responsible. Okay, how about the followers in Instagram and social media? Does paying for the followers is it mandatory, or pushing around to get the organic way to raise is good?
I will recommend to you that pushing organically around you.
It's better.
Yeah, it's better because you know why? It will take long time. As I told you earlier, be patient, be calm. But the day when it's come, you reach to 1 million, nobody can stop you. Then all of the 5 years or 6 years of the hard working time, it will take to you the moon, you know.
With that note, we're ending our segment number 2, which is this and that, and you have seen how Burhan has showed his viewpoint, and I hope majority will agree to it. It's fine, minority doesn't agree because at the end it should be fully organic. So moving to our segment number 3, which is my favorite and highlight segments, rapid fire. So Burhan, in rapid fire, I'll ask you some questions regarding so many things happening around, and you should be very loyal.
Okay.
And not thinking, not be judgmental or diplomatic.
Okay.
Otherwise you won't get the hamper and entire payment you will be doing for today if you don't say true. What's your favorite movie?
I recently watched the movie for Hazrat Yusuf.
Okay.
Yeah, recently, like before yesterday. That's I know only. To be very honestly, I never watch movies.
What was the first thing you purchased with your salary? First salary?
First salary, I all paid to my mom. I didn't purchase anything.
All the bloggers does the same thing. What was your first job?
I was as a design engineer to create the designs and in SRTA Sharjah.
Okay.
And we made the community for roads and all the communities.
What's your favorite fitness style?
My favorite fitness style is swimming.
Okay. What's your favorite music?
Music, I just learned pop.
Okay, what is more worthy for you, buying a car or spending that money into some beneficial resources?
I will send the money or give the money to the beneficiary.
Okay.
To be very honestly.
Have you gone ever viral in a video? If yes, which video was it?
I have been viral with the 2 videos in Instagram right now. Like last month, it's got like 2 million views. One is the Pakistan-India match, and the second I made the content with the while driving, and I make some good reel. It's reached to like 900,000.
Okay. What do you prefer, salt food or sweet food?
I will prefer mix.
Okay. See, again being diplomatic. Expensive.
No, you can say salt.
Okay.
Okay.
Expensive gifts you prefer or you prefer customized gifts?
I will prefer customize.
Okay. Fresh food or fried food?
Fresh.
What's the punch? Any punchline joke which you follow and you still use that kind of joke?
Actually, I'm a very serious person. I never have any joke in my life, to be very honestly.
Life is all about jokes. So what jokes you will make, man?
I can say, okay, I can say pupo.
Okay. What's the biggest flaw in you?
Okay, मेरे में खामी एक यही है जो मैंने पहले बताई है, लॉयलिटी.
वो तो है यार, इस दिल के वजह से सब पिघल जाते, क्या करें भाई. What is the deepest fear?
Deepest fear, trust people, you can say.
What to say? Anywhere you have the worst harsh comment you have ever received?
Very honestly, I take everything as a challenge. So it doesn't affect on myself, it's hard or soft.
Okay.
I don't mind for that.
Do you believe in having go-to destination like moving around, or better to stay with the family?
No, with the destinations around. It's
Okay.
my hobby as well.
What is the most disappointment thing you have faced so far in your career?
Breakup
That's
and
normal.
losing 2 companies. In Corona.
हाँ, वो तो होता ही है.
2 major facts.
What makes you angry?
Fake smile.
What is the best advice to the employees or your colleagues you want to give?
They have to be more funny because they are all very serious.
Okay, what's your memorable moment so far?
Again, wedding.
Okay. What is your any silly or comedy thing which has happened in you during your childhood? जो अभी सोचते हैं, हाँ मैंने ये सब भी किया है.
Exactly, I can say to my grandmother, she is not longer with us anymore. I hide her teeth. उनके दांत छुपा दिए थे मैंने. वो आज भी याद है मुझे.
वो तो है, वो तो है. Any advice you want to give to any person जो ये podcast देखे जिससे आपने connect नहीं कर सके हो? So what is the advice you want to give, or him or her?
I can give her one advice and him also. कोई चीज भी permanent नहीं रहती. So
वक्त बदलता है.
stay with the flow and be positive. कुछ हो गया या कुछ कर लिया है तो you have to let it be and let it go.
With that note, we are ending our rapid fire. Although he did 90 out of okay, but hamper from our Ahmed Al Maghribi.
So it's me again.
And yeah, so and we have a brand called Salsa. They have currently launched their dark chocolate products, which are very
That's
good
great.
health, gluten
I
free.
love it
So try it, and I hope you will love the hamper.
for sure. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Welcome. And now we are moving to our last segment of the show. What's your khwahish which you want to get fulfilled as soon as possible?
Okay.
And what's your experience with All My Days podcast?
Okay. So I will start with the khwahish first or experience.
Khwahish, obviously, khwahish matters a lot.
ख्वाहिश अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह I have done everything in my life. अभी बस यही ख्वाहिश है कि to build a setup who can help to the other people. This is my last wish, and to educate the people to be positive,
Alhamdulillah.
to be very honestly, and to give them a chance to make their own business instead of the job if they don't have money or if they don't have the platform. I want to create something like this with the standards so the people can come automatically without any
Hesitation.
nationality or hesitations or any color issue or any gender issue. So anybody can welcome with the standard and join our team in future. This is what my
Inshallah,
plan.
Ameen, Ameen, Summa Ameen, Ya Rab. And how was your experience?
Experience, I will say it's very professional and very nice, to be very honestly. And the way we talk each other, it's not even look like that we met first time, to be very honestly. And I will say especially thanks to Mariam as well. She dealt with me in a very professional way because this is what I like it.
That's a 1 month हो गया आने में.
Almost. It's okay. It's a part of life. I can understand because जो professional लोग होते हैं वो कभी भी किसी बात के ऊपर गुस्सा नहीं करते,
हाँ,
एंग्री नहीं होते कि हाँ यार तुमने लेट किया, ये किया, मेरा टाइम वेस्ट हुआ. नो, इट्स ओके. फॉर श्योर आई हैव टू थिंक फ्रॉम द अदर साइड एज वेल कि हाँ यार मरियम को शायद कोई इशू हो या मोहम्मद को कोई इशू हो. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट अगर होगा किस्मत में तो हो जाएगा, अगर नहीं होगा सो आई कैन नॉट फाइट फॉर anything.
And देखो पारा भी कैसे चप्पल पार्क है, that is like beyond expectations, right?
Exactly.
So with that note, any last advice you want to give to the youth who will watch your podcast, especially to the bloggers?
Yeah, for first I will give to the boys. They do not have to be arrogant. Okay, they have to focus on their life goals first instead of the girls. Okay, because many youths, they are just thinking the only last hope of the life is the girl. To be very honestly, it's a cruel reality, but it's reality.
Yeah.
Okay, for the girls I will give the advice. They have to be transparent and be loyal and wait for the right time when the man create a platform for her. Then you can connect each other, so you can have a very good lifestyle together. This is my last advice.
With that note, we are ending our today's podcast, and I'm so happy and so fortunate that I have got such a persona. I think the entire bloggers all over the globe, and I hope through him, simplicity comes as a transparency, because at the end, what matters is your thought process and your reality. So thank you so much for your valuable time, Burhan, and thank you so much everyone out there. It's me signing out, Muhammad, and that's Burhan. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.